you all are doing good. Today we are going to discuss chapter number 2, that is your file management, organizing of data. In this chapter we are going to discuss how to move a file or folder, how to copy a file or folder, how to search a file or folder, how to sort a file or folder, and also how to work with multiple application at the same time. So let's start with the chapter. So first is your file manager. File manager is an application that provides information about various files, folders and drives present on a computer. So we can take an example of a school bag. Your school bag contains books, copies, tiffin box, water bottle, pencil box and so many things. So we can say that your school bag is a file manager. Next is your file. A file is a collection of information stored together on a computer under a particular name. So we can take the example of the copies. So our copy are having different names, or we can say that our copy having the particular names. Folder. A folder stores and organizes relevant computer files together. So we can say that a folder is a collection of multiple relevant files. Next we will discuss moving and copying a file or folder. So in this video first we are going to learn about the steps. In my next video I am going to show you the practical works. So let's start with the moving and copy a file or folder. So what is move and what is copy? So first is move. Move means move it from original location to another location. And copy means creating a duplicate copy of the selected file or folder. So let's see the steps. So first step is double click on this PC icon on the desktop. You will see hard disk drive, CD or DVD drives, removable device and network location connected to your computer. So let me clear you first of all. Windows 8 onwards operating system is having the icon this PC, but up to Windows 7 we are having the icon my computer. So we have to click on the this PC or my computer icon. After clicking on this PC or my computer icon, we are able to see the different drives and removable device. Next step is double click on the D drives icon. You will see all the file and folder stored on it. So after opening this PC icon, we are able to see the different drives and we have to choose one from it. So here we are going to choose the D drive, and after clicking on the D drive we are going to see all the file or folders stored on it. Next, select the file or folder to be moved or copied. We have to select the file or we have to select the file which we want to move or copy. Click on the copy button in the clipboard group. So there is a group that is known as clipboard group. We have to choose the copy option from it. I will show you in my practical video that how to choose copy option from the clipboard group. Next, select the drive where the file needs to be moved or copied in the left pane. Select the drive where the file need to be moved or copied in the left pane. So we have to choose the different drive where you want to move the file or folder. Next step is click on the paste button in the clipboard group. So where we are choosing the copy option, there is also another option or another button, that is your paste button. Next, the file is moved or copied to the new location. So these are the steps we have to follow when we want to move or copy a file or folder. So next is moving or copying a file or folder between storage device. So we have to follow these steps while copy or moving a file or folder between storage device. So first step, insert the pen drive into the computer. So we know that pen drive is a storage device, and here we are going to copy or move the file to the pen drive. So next step, right click on the start button and select the file explorer option. Next step, select D drive from the navigation pane on the left. Next, select the file or folder to be moved to the pen drive from the right pane. Right click on the file or folder and select the cut or copy option from the shortcut menu. Click on the pen drive icon from the left pane. The drive will open. Right click on the blank area on the right pane and select the paste option. The selected file or folder is moved from the D drive to computer to the pen drive. These are the steps we have to follow while moving or copying a file or folder between storage devices. Searching a file or folder. Searching box in Windows 10 is the most direct way to search a file or folder. I will show you how the Windows 10 is the most direct way to search a file or folder. So first, how to search. Search box can be used to locate common file types. Remember all or part of the names of the file or folder. Next, the date when the file was last modified can help the user to locate the file. So, steps to search the file or folder. Click on the start button. You will find the search box located at the bottom of the left pane. Next is a type either a part of the file or folder name or complete name. You can also type a word or phrase present in the file. So next step is the item that match the typed text will appear on the start menu. I will show you how to search in the practical video. Next is searching the file using wildcard characters. Wildcard characters are special symbols such as asterisk and question mark used to search a file or folder when the user doesn't know the exact name. When we don't know the exact name, that time we are using the wildcard characters. So what are the different wildcard characters? First one is your asterisk and second one is your question mark. So see, the asterisk or the star can be used substitute a string of the letter or symbols in its place. So example, you can see A star star or A asterisk will search all the file names starting with A followed by any number of the character having any extensions. So it will show all the file and all the folders name started with A. Next, the wild character or wildcard character question mark can be used to substitute for a single letter or symbol, or it is the wildcard question mark is used to substitute for a single letter. So example, you can see project question mark .doc. .doc is the extension. We'll search the file names starting with project followed by any character or extensions. So next is your sorting a file. Sorting the file on desktop refers to arranging them in a proper manner. The file can be sorted by name, size, item type and date on which they are modified. Sorting helps the user to back up files easily. So we can say that sorting means to arrange the files in a proper manner. We can sort the files in the following ways. First one is your name. So this option helps to arrange files in an alphabetical order by name, by the file name. Next is your size. This option arranges files in decreasing order of the size. Next one is item type. This option groups the files on the basis of their type. Next is your date modified. This option organizes file according to the date on which they were last modified. So next we will see the steps. Follow these steps to sort the files in the desired area. Right click on the blank area of the desktop. You will find or you will see a shortcut menu. Click on the sort by option, and select the desired sub option. The icon will be arranged accordingly. Next, file format. File format or file extension is a part of a file name followed after dot. A file format is a standard way used to encode information in a computer file indicated by the file extension. So first, document. Document is used for Microsoft Word and having the extension .doc and .docx. Spreadsheet. This is known as your Microsoft Excel and having the extension .xls and .xlsx. Image file. So we are having the extension for the image file, that is .jpeg, .gif and .tiff. Next is your audio files. Audio files are saved with extension .mp3 and .wav. Next, presentation. This is known as your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, has extension .ppt and .pptx. Next, working with multiple applications. Windows 10 allows the user to work with multiple applications at the same time. We know that there is a feature versatility. We can say that in the computer having the features, that is your versatility. Versatility means working with multiple applications at the same time. Computer provides this option to us. So the user can work on image to be inserted simultaneously. First one, follow the steps to work on two applications. First, open Word 2016 by selecting Start and then clicking on Word 2016. Double click on the Google Chrome icon on the desktop to open it. Right click anywhere on the blank portion of the taskbar. Click on the Show Window Side by Side option, the shortcut menu. You will see both the application windows side by side. You can search the information related to the topic while working in the word processing software. So, thank you. In my next video, I am going to show you the practical of all these things. So,